Emotional pain is something that we all experience at some point of our life. It could be loss, betrayal, or even feeling of misunderstood by someone. But good thing is you can heal. Always remember that emotional pain is temporary. It's not something permanent. Be kind and be patient with yourself. This is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurveda medicine doctor and also classical Hatha yoga teacher trained by Sadhguru Gurukulam. Problem arises when someone who belongs to us, who is our family member, who is our son, a friend whom we love or whom we care, he goes through some emotional pain or she goes through some emotional pain. So what we can do, sometimes we became so panicked by seeing our loved one in such situation that we start teaching him, this you should not do, this you should not do. And because we are very attached to that person, we lose our calmness. We become angry. We become more angry than the person. And the situation becomes more worse and worse and more worse. So let's see what are the things that we can do as a family member to support our family member who is already in emotional pain. When somebody is in too much emotional pain, they say things. So this is not the time that other family members interrupt them and offer immediate solutions. That is not the time that you make him understand why, what, why, how. That is not the time for that. Sometimes emotional pain just goes away just by being heard. Just give assurance to that person, then don't worry. I am here for you, with you, and I acknowledge your pain. This is the time that you encourage that person for self-care. How you can do it? You can play some meditation, you can play some chants, and for the fortune of all of us, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, that is, emotional pain is not something that is going to stay for long. It is temporary thing. And anything that is temporary, that will pass. And just we need to bear with this pain for at least 45 minutes maybe. During this duration, with fortune of the whole world, Sadhguru has created one app that is known as Miracle of the Mind. And in this Miracle of the Mind app, they have created one meditation that is wonderful meditation to bring the person into awareness, because emotional pain is happening because when we become unconscious, when we become unaware. So for the short time period, the quick solution, which is the quick meditation that we can offer, because to do meditation in a specific way, you need a lot of things, like some meditation require this, sometimes meditation require different kind of consciousness, some meditations required some other kind of consciousness. But this specific meditation which I am mentioning, that is Miracle of Mind, this is an app, and in this app, the meditation that has been mentioned, you just need to play that meditation, and the person with whom this emotional pain is happening, he has to do nothing. Slowly, as the meditation goes on, it will start relaxing you. How? It will make you, it will help you to bring the person who is in emotional pain into awareness or into consciousness. And once the person becomes conscious, that means no person wants to harm himself or want to do things that will hurt you, that will create pain in you. And once the person becomes conscious, he is in the mood to understand things. He is in that perception to seek solutions. So that is the time when maybe if we ask for, you can give some lifestyle solutions or some other things, or just tell him like you just be with this meditation for 21 days. And once some changes start happening in his life, then you can suggest some lifestyle modifications or from some yoga expert or some Ayurveda doctor, lifestyle change, whoever is the expert is available for you, who works for the well-being of human consciousness. And make sure that you will not use the sentence that you will get over it soon, you will get over it soon. This is not the way to say stuff to that person, because you don't know what things that person is going through. It's better to remind them it's okay. I am there for you. I am there for you. These simple words can prove magical transformation in the person who is feeling emotional pain. Because emotional pain is something which is not very expressive. It is just going something very deep. And all those people who go through emotional pain, they know how it feels, how it heals. And nobody is till now is able to heal all the emotional pains. Some emotional pains you need to live with, and to some emotional pains you are able to get over with the help of meditation, yoga, spirituality, except for few enlightened beings or the gurus who are at that level of consciousness. But all other general human beings like us, we have at some point this or that pain. But it is very important that we educate people about emotional pain, how it happens and how to deal with it, so that we don't see many suicides or many blunders that we do in emotional pains. Now, at the end of the video, I would like to tell you where you can get this app, Miracle of Mind. The link for this app is there in the description box below. So you can click this app, you can download this app, and then you can use this app. And you can also share this app to the person who you really think is in need and going through certain pain. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. If you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.